Driving test tip number 26, clearance on your driving test. What is it all about? Well, clearance is keeping a safe zone around your car at all times. Most people associate clearance with overtaking and keeping a door length out from a parked car. This is one of the key areas of clearance. By the way, it won't always be possible, and you can't always keep a door length out if you're driving on narrow streets, maybe with cars parked on both sides of the road. So in that case, what you do is you stay out as far as you can in safety, and you slow down and allow your car to move nice and slowly, so you go through the gap in comfort. If necessary, of course, you would stop. But if it is possible, a door length is what you're looking at when you're moving out around parked vehicles. Other areas of clearance include the 2-second rule. I'm sure you have run through that with your driving instructor. That is the distance you keep back from cars when you're in traffic, when you're driving. Revisit that with your instructor if you're not sure about it or how to figure out the 2-second rule. When you stop behind cars in traffic, you should be able to see T&T, tar and tyres. You should be maybe roughly about half a car length back from the car in front so that you can see right down to the ground their tyres reaching the tar. That is your safe distance. You also have to be very careful of overtaking motorbikes, cyclists, e-scooters, etc. All other road users. Be very careful and ensure that you are that nice safe distance away from the other road users. Weather conditions will affect you as well as regards clearance. Naturally, in bad weather, you need to stay back further and maybe stay out a little further from whatever you happen to be overtaking. So take into account the weather conditions. So this kind of sums up clearance. In general, the bottom line is keep a safe distance from absolutely everything. Do not get too close to anything. And clearance on your driving test will not be an issue then. And in general driving, it's very important. Keep you nice and safe and keep that safe cocoon around your car. Thanks for watching, and you can check out more tips on our online course at PassFirstTime.ie, including the 2-second rule and lots more in there to help you pass your driving test. Good luck with the driving test. Please subscribe and like if you have got value from this video. Click the bell for notifications of all future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course, saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.